The concept of the UNS has come out of this. Instead of spreading work across multiple applications, can't we put a unified namespace in the middle? Of course, we know this architecture. It's that hub-spoke model where we connect our producers and our consumers, or our subscribers and our publishers, to one hub or broker. The issue is that the unified namespace won't solve this problem because it's focusing on real-time data, not ingesting, connecting, cleansing, adding operational context, identifying events, aggregating KPIs, validating results, or distributing. The UNS is just a flow of real-time data out to the application, which means those steps still live out at the application in order to combine data from multiple sources, aggregate results, and identify value-added information. So how do we solve this? Well, we take a page from the UNS. We centralize the work. We connect everything to a centralized location where we can process data and turn it into information. And then we publish out to our applications to use that data. By centralizing the work and our data transformation, we pick up that strong data engineering, data and governing engineering governance. We give our subject matter experts from both the OT side and the IT side a centralized place to collaborate. Ideally, if we're going to make this scale, we have to stay away from code, and we want to build this into a templated library format. And not only do we want to create the rules around how we transform the data, but we also want to have engines that are actually going to do the data transformation, pre-processing the data upstream before distributing it downstream. So this is what we call the Unified Analytic Framework. We continue to look at connecting real-time data into the unified namespace. We then also provide the history to the Unified Analytic Framework. The Unified Analytic Framework can then distribute the data to our applications, data that's already been transformed, joined, cleansed, calculated, validated, and can in turn also connect back to the unified namespace, publishing those values in real time as well to the broker. To do this architecture really requires three key components that go into building a unified analytic framework. And this is now where I will shift a little bit into talking about Flow as a product and how Flow will help simplify information management through a unified analytic framework architecture.